Drama, right? But that's exactly what we're gonna do here today. We're gonna level up your mooncake into mooncake cookies this Mid-Autumn Festival with the help of an air fryer. We're gonna start things off by making our classic mooncake lotus paste. We've got our pre-soaked lotus seeds here that we're gonna boil and simmer for 1 hour. While we are waiting for our lotus seeds, we're gonna be starting things off with our cookie dough. Now this is the kind of texture that I'm looking for. Nice and crumbly. I'm now gonna add in my eggs and the rest of the ingredients in. We're gonna mix it up once more. Now that our cookie dough is done, we're gonna divide them into small pieces and then flatten them into tiny discs. And the fun part is, we can do this with our hands. And that means I can I don't. They might not look the best, but what matters most is the taste. Am I right? Now back to where we started, we got our lotus seeds and they should be soft enough for blending. We've got some hot water into this, we're just gonna blend it into a paste. It actually reminds me of mooncakes already. We're now gonna heat up our pot and then add our oil and sugar into it to form a caramel. Look at how the sugar caramelized so beautifully already. Time to add the lotus paste. Add our oil bit by bit. Yo, oh my goodness, look at this! This is basically what's gonna be in the heart of our mooncake cookie. We're just gonna set it aside and let it cool. I've got my batter out from the fridge. We're just gonna roll balls of lotus paste with our hands just like this. After that, you wanna pick up your cookie dough very gently. Add your lotus paste right in the center. Just gonna wrap it up. It's done! Just gonna garnish it with a cute little slice of almond like this. So cute, right? Say yes. We're gonna pop them into the air fryer at 180 degrees for 5 minutes and 120 degrees for 3 minutes. And now we are done. Yo, look at this. Now it's finally the time that I can taste our creation. Super crispy and crumbly. You have a soft, gooey center. It's like a modern interpretation of the mooncake. Be smart and cook alongside me. This is for myself.